Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we've got something special for you. The Locks 48 key-to-like padlocks. These padlocks are making waves in the world of security, and we're about to show you why they're considered the best padlocks available. So, what makes these Locks padlocks stand out from the rest? Let's dive right in. Imagine having to manage a bunch of different keys for all your padlocks. It's a hassle, right? Well, with Locks, you can say goodbye to that problem. These padlocks are all key-to-like, which means you can use just one key to unlock all 48 of them. It's incredibly convenient, especially for business owners, maintenance teams, or anyone who needs multiple padlocks. Locks are designed for both indoor and outdoor use. You can use them as cabinet locks, gym locker locks, cable locks, gate locks, and even to secure your shed or fence. These padlocks are built to withstand the toughest of conditions. That's why Locks are constructed from hardened steel with a thick shackle. They're tough as nails and can resist sawing and cutting attempts by would-be thieves. These locks have been tested in some of the harshest environments to ensure they won't let you down. Ever worried about lockpickers trying to tamper with your locks? Locks have got you covered. They feature a brass pin cylinder that's difficult to pick, offering you peace of mind. And added security compared to locks with plastic or aluminum tumblers. And here's the cherry on top. Locks are backed by a lifetime warranty. You can trust in the durability and quality of these locks to secure your belongings for years to come. So there you have it, folks, the Locks 48 key-to-like padlocks. With their convenience, versatility, extreme durability, pick-resistant cylinder, and lifetime warranty, they truly are the best padlocks you can get your hands on. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.